Hi everyone, this is Blake Anderson, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how I use Descript, an AI video editing program that you can use to speed track your editing and post-production. I'm going to cover the top 5 features of the app and how it fast track your editing and social media posting in terms of allowing for content generation based off your transcript. So in this video I'm going to walk you through my workflow, walk through Descript and how I use it in my post-production, and then explain how it can really speed up your workflow and save you hours in terms of editing and post-production. So in terms of using Descript, you want to first import the data. Typically I'll be importing, I might do a base correction in Final Cut Pro, and then once I have an H.264 in terms of a 4K file, I'll import that into Descript. The AI engine will read the transcript and upload the video, and then it will do its magic and help you edit. That's the first tip in terms of what Descript can do, is it allows you to edit out your ums and ahs. So it does using AI, it will go through your script and edit out a lot of the filler words, and then allow you to either using low quality, medium quality, or high to edit out these filler words. It does a good base level job. I find that typically I'll accept a lot of the edits Descript suggests. From there, I'm already creating a base level edit that would, I would say, usually save me a couple hours, because typically if I'm going to do a talk, do some kind of tutorial or a longer form video, there's a lot of times where I'm cutting out ums and ahs. Another tip of using Descript is that it does a great job of coming up with titles and descriptions of your videos. So it's able to use the transcript of the video to give you suggestions in terms of titles that might fit with the video. It allows you to create prompts, so that you can prompt the AI to particularly give you something what you're looking for in terms of what the purpose of the video is, or basically you can add your own prompts, so you can further customize and refine the titles and the description for social media posts, YouTube descriptions, and even create blog posts based off your transcript. I find this is a really key feature. Usually in post-production, I'm typically more focused on creating what I would consider a quality video, and I want to focus primarily on the actual video itself. But what Descript allows you to do is it frees up, I think, a lot of the space and the bandwidth that would take to edit some of the filler words, but then allows you to create very quick social media titles and descriptions, particularly for YouTube or Instagram. So the third tip is that the Descript program does a great job of allowing you to edit. It has eye recognition. So what it will do is, using AI, ensure that your eyes are looking at the camera. It does some magic in terms of basically allowing the eyes to constantly on camera. I think it does a generally good job. I've had some situations where it seems forced, but on average, if you're sitting close to the camera and clear in terms of your visuals, in terms of your eyes, I think the AI does generally a good job. So that's a key feature of this program, is it allows you to very much ensure that you are talking to the camera and talking to your audience in a way that if you're looking away, it will do generally a good job of ensuring that your eyes stay focused on the camera itself. Number 4 tip of using Descript and why it's such a powerful program is that it allows you to quickly create social media posts using their clip feature. So you can suggest up to 10 social media posts. So let's say you have a 13 or 15-minute long video. You're able to take from that video, let's say 10 separate social media posts of 60 seconds, 30 seconds, or 90 seconds. Usually for my purposes, I'll use maybe 60 seconds for 8 or 10 social media posts. So it will take clips from the longer video and it will splice it up into shorter sections. Typically in your workflow, you probably have to do this yourself or pay someone to do this. But what Descript allows you to do is it effectively makes choices in terms of which clips might be the best clips, make these edits for you, and allow you to export it directly onto your computer or upload them onto the internet. Typically with my workflow, similarly with adding titles and descriptions for your YouTube videos and social media posts, in Descript, you can prompt it in terms of what types of clips or edits you want to do, the purpose of the video, and what you're after. Number 5, the reason why Descript is such a powerful program and allows you to free up so much time in your post-production workflow is that the program allows you to quickly add captions to your videos in a very, I would say, customizable way, a very easy, intuitive way as well. And then you can edit the transcript to ensure that your captions are what exactly you're saying in terms of your video video, and you can add different types of titles, fonts, animations, and it's very intuitive to finish your video. I would say it does a good job of ensuring the captions come up clearly and allow you to customize the export. What I'll usually do is I'll clip, let's say 10 separate videos in social media, then maybe create titles for each separate video. So in this video, I covered the top 5 reasons why Descript can speed up your workflow in terms of your post-production and editing workflow, ensuring that spaces, ums and ahs in terms of filler words, ensuring that your eyes remain on the camera, coming up quickly with titles, as well as social media posts, including YouTube, and creating blog posts. Also allowing you to add captions and creating clips that you can post to social media. I covered my workflow in terms of using Descript and how it can fast track your workflow. I very much would recommend this. It's a little bit expensive. It has a subscription, but I find at least the time that I save using this program very much pays for itself. So I would generally recommend it if you can afford it. I do believe they allow for a trial period or a way to try it out. So I would recommend doing that.